So I went to the shops and I was like, sorry, do you have condo? And then the man was like, what size? And I was like, whatever size you've got. And then all I see is like, you turn around to go to where the section of cigarettes, condoms. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. That should work. Oh my god. So today, I decided to do a bit of a vlog. I have decided to do a bit of a vlog to tag you guys in on what I do in a day. So today is Saturday and it's 9:30 at the moment. 9:30 at the moment, and I've got so many things planned to do today. Normally I don't have a lot of things to do, but today I've got quite a lot, so I thought I'd tag you all in to have a little bit of glance of what I do in a day. So I am leaving home now. Oh, the sun is getting in my face. Oh, so tired. I didn't sleep so well last night. So I have decided to walk to Morden. I have to actually speak up because of the cars. First time vlogger. Let's see how this is gonna turn up. Okay, so why I'm going to Morden would be because I need to buy some African meals stuff. So I need to buy condo. I've got actually funny question about story about condo, yeah. So I don't know, it was 3 years ago, I'm not sure, but it was a few years ago, and then it was Christmas Eve and the stores all closed really early, and I was coming from work and my work finished at 10, and my mom was like, oh my god, we don't have condo, because every Christmas day we make these loads of traditional meals, like loads. Oh my god, we have jollof, wache, banku, soup, all types of soup to go with it, fufu, and then we have like the normal Christmas meals, which is turkey, vegetables, all sort of stuff. So imagine I finish at 10 p.m. I'm going through all these Asian shops. Sometimes like, do you have condo? Do you have condo? And so it turns out, like, when I say condo, it sounds like condom. So I went to the shops and I was like, sorry, do you have condo? And then the man was like, what size? And I was like, whatever size you've got. And then all I see is like, you turn around to go to where the section of cigarettes, condoms, drinks, and alcohol and stuff. And I was like, and it just clicked. I was like, no, not condom. Condo. Oh my god, that was so embarrassing. we had such a laugh. He was laughing. He was like, oh no, we don't sell condom. I was like, really? I've been here for like 4 minutes asking for condo. You think it is condom? Jeez. Anyways, that's my story for that one. So today the meal we're doing for dinner time is okra soup with some beef and fish and a couple of meats, yes, and with some banku as well. So I'm going to get some condo from one of the Asian shops that we're going to, and I'm going to get some meat as well. We get meats from there as well. There's the banku. So that's the mission for today. Get some meat. And actually that's not the mission for today, that's the one part of mission. And then after that I have to, sorry, let me close the road. I'm on my way to get some clothes, like just see if I can get some clothes. If not, I am just going to order it online, which we can do it together and then we can just try out afterwards. That should be nice. I'm so tired. I don't think I like vlogging a lot. This video have like 5 minutes and I am actually regretting being a vlog post. Everybody's just like watching me. Yeah, we're house. There's no one on the street, but I feel like people are watching me. Maybe it's in my head. Oh my god. So I just came out of Lidl so awkward. I feel like you're not in place. Okay, so we've got some chicken. I think I'm gonna go for what's it, cow food. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna find out. And yeah, let's get a basket. Okay, so here we've got some condo. We normally buy our from where do we buy a condo? From somewhere. Today we're gonna get it from here. Got some beans, black eyed peas. Where are you? I don't need these. I need the bigger ones. Do you see any black eyed beans? Let me know. Hiya. Yeah, I'm okay. How about you?
Not too bad.
I will do. Thank you. Oh, that's so nice to me here. So nice to me here. Okay, I'm gonna get these beans. We always get the one that has a brine of this one, so we're gonna get this one. Oh, jeez, so heavy. And for the abenquine, we get the abe in the tin. Abe in the tin. If I can find it, I always have issue finding stuff. All these look so fresh. They look so amazing. I'm not so sure of the okra though, but it looks amazing. I'm trying to think if I've not forgotten anything, but I don't feel like it. My mom said cow food. I don't know what it is.
Cow food.
Ah, that is cow food. Wow, big cow food. So this is called cow food, which means the cow's food. Oh, $2.99 each. Wow, that's quite cheap for a cow food. $9.99 each. I think I'm gonna get one more. So I want something cheap, not okay. I'm gonna get one of these. I've got my max now. So I've decided to drop these at home and then go do my next round today. I still haven't answered any questions yet, but I am going to do that soon. Yep. Okay, so the items are home and I'm on my way to grab some clothes. It's gonna be a long day. Long hours as well. Oh, it's so cold. The weather looks amazing, trust me. It's like a pretty girl dressed in a dress. That's a nasty attitude. That's how I would describe the weather. Ooh, sorry. Oh my god, it's gonna be a hard walk. Okay, so some of the questions that I'm going to be answering, it's literally on my phone that I'm using to video. to do this video today, so it's gonna be a bit tricky to do this. Hold on. Okay, let me just think of some of the things off my head. Let's see. Okay, what's my favorite food? I don't have a favorite actually. I eat anything. These are the shops, so this is the nest. Oh my god, I don't know what to talk about. I'm trying to find my questions. I should have done that when I was in the bus. I didn't. But we're going to primark anyways. I've got a few things I need to get. So I'm gonna go primark. Oh, okay. You know what? Let's do the shopping afterwards, and then I will do a bit more of the answering. Ooh. Ooh, these clothes look banging. Right. I need a cardigan. Oh no. These things are so nice, but there's one that I'm looking for. It's not here. Oh no, I know. Oh, sorry. Actually it is. It's right here. Something's nice, I don't know. These are beautiful. Oh, it's two. Wow. Good bagging. One for my, no, I don't need it. Okay. I've got the list of things that I need to get already. So, a list of things I need to get already. Oh, my mom is here. Let's try it. Oh, yeah, Dawa. Mom is here. Then talk about. So I've got a heel here to take. Oh, a shoes here. Again, look at all these beauty. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. Ladies, I'm gonna, not ladies, everyone up there, leave it to just get stuff because I need to focus. Go outside. Thank you all so much for watching my vlog, part 1 of it. Honestly, when I did the editing, it was almost to like 20 something minutes, and I thought to myself, that's so long. So I have split it into 2. So yeah, it's gonna be 2 vlog 1, vlog 2. Please leave a comment below, let me know how you like it, and if you want me to do more of it. Of course I can go to the sightseeing and then, you know, do a bit more of vlogging and stuff like that. It was my first time doing a vlog, so I'm not sure if I did it right. Well, there's no way of doing a vlog wrong. Anyway, so yeah, thank you for all watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for your support and love for my channel. Stay blessed. Bye bye.